look, this is crazy. Pretty much What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are visiting our friend Russ at Fur Parts, and we are here to pick up a part for our Huracan. But we're gonna give a little tour of his whole shop and his whole collection and all the cars they are working on. Let's start off with this burnt Ferrari right here. Which one is this one?
I don't know the exact model, but dude, this thing is clean.
Yeah. But look, this is crazy. Pretty much, how did it even catch on fire? What did he say? Well, he said what
fuel
happened.
leak.
Fuel leak, right?
Yeah.
This looks like a really fun project to work on. This is sold already, pretty much. So.
That's sick.
Yeah, this is crazy. It's a classic. This is a collectible, so a lot of people are actually aiming for this car. And also look what happens to the front end. As you notice, the hood was fine, but when the firefighters, basically when they were on the scene, they wanted to pry the hood from the front, thinking the hood opens from the front, ends up opening the back, so they damaged the complete hood. So I mean, this is fixable, but if somebody won't want to fix it, I'm pretty sure this is expensive because this is rare. Yeah. Pretty sure everything's rare for this Ferrari. So we got another Ferrari over there.
The E63
station wagon. These are pretty rare. Yeah. These are actually pretty rare. It would be nice to do like a white body on one of these.
Ooh, I don't think so. Anyone has ever rebuilt one.
Yeah.
We should look into it.
Yeah, we'll definitely look into it. So we're gonna just walk around the shop.
Let's go to the next room. Let's
go to the next room. There's probably like 6 shops lined up. He has a whole. I'm not even sure which door is which. So he has like a whole like setup here. He has like probably like 6 businesses in one huge warehouse, pretty much. So yeah, let's just go to the second shop. All right, let's do a little walk around right here. Start off with Maserati, old school Maserati.
That is sick.
This garage right here is honestly goals. Like all those flags, the walls, over here, everything just looks so nice and neat.
That's sick.
Yeah, there's a whole collection here of Ferraris, of exotic cars. This is sick. They got which one is this one right here? Because they got like what, 3 different styles of this?
Yeah.
Or something like that?
I don't even know, dude. All I know is sick.
All I know is it's yeah.
Dang. Look at that audio system, dude.
Pioneer.
Yeah.
Is that stock? I don't think that's stock. Here, let's get Ross. This is the owner.
What's up?
This is the owner of the whole building. Like I was mentioning, you guys got like 6 businesses over here in one shop?
Yes. So we do the service here, and then we do the braking down about a block away from here, 2 blocks. And then we have the insurance company, warranty business, and then we have a rental business also, but that's at the Napa Airport Jet Center.
Jet Center,
And
yeah.
then we do the administration here for that, the office.
The clear bro and all the work.
At the very end.
Yeah, they got a lot going on here.
So it's really all in the same wheelhouse, even though they're different businesses.
Yeah. It's good, you don't have to drive around.
That's right.
Yeah. Well, I think this is about the cleanest shop you have in this area, right?
Well, yeah, I mean, we're gonna work in here every day. We figure we might as well make it somewhat nice, you know?
Yeah.
It's enjoyable. We're gonna work on cars. Plus, the guys are bringing in Ferraris and Lamborghinis to have you work on their cars. They don't want to pull into a.
Oh, for sure. For sure. People see the clean shop.
Yeah.
They want you to work on their car.
Yeah. So, and then it keeps them coming back. And
yeah.
But our shop rate's cheap. It's $120 an hour. So it's like working on a regular Honda. I mean.
Oh yeah, that's actually really good.
Compared to most exotic shops.
Yeah.
And then working Joe's obviously beyond capable, from rebuilding 458 engines to.
Yeah. That engine's completely out right there.
Yeah. Fully rebuilt.
Yeah, what was
Cam
damaged?
tensioner pulleys, threw a rod through the bottom of the old block. So we took another block and then just assembled a whole new one with all new parts.
Oh, that's crazy. That's sick.
Valves, guides, all of it. Yeah. So there's nothing we can't do when it comes to the mechanical part of it in here. We got all the software to read and diagnose all the cars. And then we have the parts, obviously. We parted out over 300 of them.
Yeah, we actually got some parts from you for our Huracan.
Yeah, and we didn't have a Huracan at the time.
Yeah.
I just bought one today, and then we have 6 more cars coming.
We bought a lot
now.
of cars actually from Europe directly. But like I said, if I knew these guys first, then I probably would come here first thing and get all the parts ordered here. I think it's a lot better deals here than I would from there. Plus it takes much longer to get the parts from there, going through customs and all this stuff. And we were new at that, so it was like our first time dealing with exotic cars. So we run into a lot of problems getting the parts. It took months.
Yeah, you don't know till you know, right?
Yep. But now we know, so now we can work on we can actually find another exotic build now. So I don't know, Ferrari, Lamborghini, maybe a classic, who knows. We're looking around right now what I want to build.
Yeah, we get them all the time. Probably 5 to 7 a month. So I have more coming right now. I have one that'll be here in the morning, and I've got one to be here next week. And then I bought a McLaren last week, and then a Huracan, another one coming next week. That car's probably be a parts car though.
Parts car.
Yeah, that's pretty bad.
Bet your money toolbox is 15K, not 10K.
Damn.
I bet you money.
Roman, we should just move in here.
I'll bet you, yeah, legit. I'm gonna park my Jeep right here.
They actually have a huge yard. Probably have like around 300 cars for part out, exotic
crazy.
cars. Huracans, Ferraris, Lamborghinis.
You name
I said
it.
Huracans.
Legit.
Any Ferrari, any Lamborghini, they have all the parts, frames, everything you need for it. For parts are the guys where you get it from. You know, what's really good is they're local to us. Their shop is 10 minutes away from our shop, and we didn't know that. I mean, you wouldn't expect the area like this to actually be in Sacramento. You know what I mean?
Yep.
So you usually see places like this down in LA and stuff like that. But yeah, so now we basically just come here for parts or for work to get done on our cars, and they actually have like a huge inventory of cars, parts, everything. Over 300 cars, like I already mentioned. That's crazy. 300 exotic cars that are being parted out. Now that you think about it, there's so much exotic cars. That's crazy.
You could literally build out of all these cars, like 50 if not more.
Yeah, you could just go to the scrapyard, just get like 3 parts from each one, and just completely put together a full car. You know what I mean?
Different colors, different everything, different VIN numbers. Anyways, let's keep walking around.
So I don't know if they're gonna let us.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Right now we're just gonna go down to Copart. Actually, we found a really nice Porsche, but
Why'd you just smack me like that?
so anyways, we found a really nice Porsche, and it's local. So it's actually, the dealership is also 15 minutes away from here. Not the dealership, sorry, the auction yard, the Copart, the whole yard. So we're actually gonna go there and do a little bit of investigation, check out the Porsche, see the damage, see how much we want to play it till. Because a lot of times about auctions, you know, people like to scam, people like to cover up the damage, hide all the big damage. So yeah, we're gonna go actually check it out in person, which is really cool. It's always better to see the car in person before playing it, but sometimes if the car's playing in New York, you don't want to fly down all the way to New York just to check it. But since it's local, let's just hit the streets, go to Copart, check out the car, and we will have the car tomorrow. We're not gonna have the car tomorrow. It's playing like 4 days, but hopefully we'll get it for the right price. So
Question: would you go to New York to look at a car in Copart if it was a?
no, I would just probably take the risk and get scammed and lose a whole bunch of money.
If it was a Bugatti.
Yes, I'm flying down there right now.
Alright guys, so it is currently the next day. We actually did not make it to Copart yesterday like we were planning, but we're actually gonna go today and check out the Porsche, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're about to head over there, check it out, so let's go.
Possibly a new build.
Possibly, hopefully, I wish.
Get up front.
Alright, I'm trying to be in the vlog.
Roman.
What's up?
All right, with our boy David out here. We're gonna go check out a Porsche 911.
Yep. Waiting for this goddamn forklift to get out of the way.
Roman, are you buckled up?
Yeah.
All right, we're good.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Burn out. Do a burnout.
Get me fired? Alright. You see me rolling?
Yo, chill. Chill, cuz. Dang, son.
You guys?
Bullshit. Oh, damn. We gotta go check that out,
Yeah.
dude. Guys, there's an R32 right there. That's what's up.
And it's labeled as a 240.
I'm good. Oh, right here. Huh. You think it's just a reinforcement board that just got damaged?
I don't know. How does the frame look?
Because everything else, that's fairly...
They have it all
The
marked.
frame's good, dude.
Hold up. Is there any way we could peel this off? Check under it.
No, I think...
Way too much, my guy. I'm telling you right
You
now.
never know because
It's already at like
19.9.
Yeah.
All these little scratches and shit, you can't just go do bullshit.
And on the roof. That's sick.
Nothing else is really damaged. I don't know why the hell they did this.
Damn.
Scratch up a little bit.
Yeah.
But that'll all go out.
the glass doesn't look cracked.
Those are the taillights. Intake. The reinforcements in here, so it's not that badly hit. Look at the damage.
Oh, that's not too bad.
Hey, can we start it?
I might need a jump.
We'll see, maybe not. Oh, bro, somebody came to check it out already? Yeah.
Let it rip, Ter.
Pretty interested in it.
Yeah. Dang, son. Dang, son. Hey, yo, Dave, we're gonna take it for a quick test drive, all right? Dude, hopefully we win it. That would be a sick build.
Yeah. Dang, son. Damn.
So let's build
That's
this
sick. Open it up. I want to see it. RB26? Single turbo? Damn, twin turbo. Nice. It's an R32.
It's a tiny ass battery.
Damn.
Wow.
There it is, boys. Alright, let's head out. Woo! Sheesh! Woohoo!
I had more shit on it, so the dude came in here and took all of it off.
Alright guys, so this is actually going to be it for today's video. Shout out to Fur Parts for giving us a little tour around his shop. If you guys do need insurance or any exotic parts, make sure to hit up Fur Parts. We did check out the Porsche.
Yeah, it's pretty sick, yeah.
Pretty sick. So we're actually gonna play it till 30K. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully we get it to have a new build for you guys, and that's actually gonna be it. Go ahead and check out our Instagram at Foreign Builds, and peace.